Alright guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my channel, guys. Don't usually do this, but today I'm going to be vlogging. Let me know if y'all like it, guys, and yeah, I'll see y'all later on, guys. This one's like so... Alright guys, so we're at my sister's dance place right now. My mom's dropping her off. I just want to stay in the car because I usually stay in the car. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and head to Target, and I'll see all you there in a couple seconds in video time. Let's go. What? It's a freaking locking pencil box. That's what Maddie needs to get because her stuff keeps on getting stolen.
Whose stuff gets stolen?
Maddie's, remember? Some of her mechanical pencils get stolen. She needs to get
last year, yeah,
a
you're right.
locked
They sure
pencil
were.
box. Do you guys happen to see any orange plates? I didn't see any on this aisle, but I can keep looking. Whatever, I didn't see any orange plates. One time I need to get a whole bunch of this bubble wrap, if y'all can see that, cushion wrap stuff, and like make a video of me like jumping all over that stuff. That'd be pretty cool. It's a gold stapler. Oh, that's heavy. Dang, that's heavy. You should get a gold stapler for your classroom. Oh, it's really heavy. And a tape thing. Put like your tape in there. That's pretty big. Heavy. Wow. My arm has been breaking out really bad lately. And it's not stopping, like, keeps on spreading, so we have to get some medicine. Looking for some medicine.
I don't know how good the Neosporin eczema one is.
Alright guys, this is going to wrap up the vlog, guys. Hope y'all enjoyed it. If y'all did, give it a big thumbs up. And that's end of vlog 1, guys. See y'all later, guys.